Hey, what's up everybody? Matt here from Rosen. I am here with John from Rowing Lost, and this is his HDJ 81 Land Cruiser. And as you can see, I'm sitting on the right-hand side where the steering wheel is. That's not normal. So it's a right-hand drive, imported diesel Land Cruiser. Series 80, it's got this little console up here, but today we're going to take a look at how to install our brand new Land Cruiser system specifically designed for the 80 series, compatible with the 60 series and also 62. We'll talk about the angle of that, but first, really cool, we're going to take the steering wheel off here and we're going to get started with the install. So the installation, really easy. Take out the factory visors, just 2 screws. It pops right out. This is actually going to be a real short video. This is our new Land Cruiser system. It's designed with the Series 80 in mind. We actually made this mount so that it is pre-configured, the angle of it. So it will fit most Land Cruiser Series 80s with the correct angle. So as you can see on this plate, we have our R and an L for right and left. Normally that would be driver's side and passenger side, but in this vehicle it's swapped. Obviously, your mileage may vary. You might have to adjust it a little bit. This ball mount is meant to be set in one position and left. And if you want to adjust it, all you got to do is take out these 4 screws, or actually just back them out a little bit to take the tension off this back plate. This back plate puts the pressure on this ball. So just loosen these 4 screws a little bit, enough to just be able to manipulate that, get it at the angle you want, and then put those tighten those 4 screws back down, and you'll be ready to roll. So because this is a Series 80, it's already just about perfect. And so all there is to it, take the 2 included screws, or the factory screws if you want to, but the screws that we include have the black coating, so they match the mounts. As you can see, our mounts on our new system are just a little bit larger, and they perfectly match the original factory mounts, the hole spacing, so it'll cover up the entire headliner. The lens was designed to fit the same dimensions as the original lenses in the Series 80, and so it should integrate seamlessly. So once you get the first screw in here, then find it easier to just tilt it off to the side, so you have easy access to the second screw hole here. So we'll go ahead and line that up. Go in there. Obviously you want these screws to be snug, but just obviously be careful not to strip them out. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna move over to the other side. As you can see, this has got an R and an L. I'll tell you which side they go on. Attached to one of them, you're gonna find this little package. We got the 4 mounting screws in case you need to replace any of them, plus an Allen key so that you can adjust the tension on any of the joints that you want to. Get 1 screw in there. Then we just rotate this off to the side so it's out of the way. And line that up right there. That screw goes in until it's nice and snug. And there you have it. As you can see, it fits nicely in the Series 80. I wasn't actually sure because all the other Series 80s that we had looked at didn't have this center console, but after testing it, it gives it just the perfect amount of clearance. I'm sure that they designed this with the same visors as the rest of them. So yeah, so like we mentioned, this fits the 60 series. They fit perfectly in the 62 series, other than you might need to change the angle of the post ever so slightly forward. This is not compatible with the 40 series or the 70 series. We have a new mount coming out soon that is compatible with those 2 models because it needs just a more extreme post angle. So I want to say a huge thank you to John and Rowing Lost for letting us install these in his Land Cruiser. And yeah, looking forward to seeing all these out there with you guys on a bunch of adventures.